So for example, if I'm heeling my dog and my dog looks away and I say to my dog up here, my dog looks back, we keep going and I reinforce that. I taught my dog a chain. I taught my dog that you can look away as long as you look back at me when I cue you, you are correct. Then when you're in the ring and you can't tell the dog, hey, look back at me, the dog looks away, the dog gets distracted, things start to go downhill. So I teach them some tricks in heel position. I teach them some tricks in front of me that are going to be functional. They're going to keep them in position. So some examples in heel position are bounce, where the dog hops, stays sitting, but their front feet hop up and down, and they can do that in a stand as well. Pitter pat, where they just kind of, it's almost like a little marching thing with their front feet. They can push their nose against my leg. They can point their nose up to the sky. They can wave. So when he drops his eyes, I just stop. I wait. When he's re-engaged, I mark and feed.